In this video I'm going to speak about MSIX App Attach Geo-replication. This is a new feature we've added to Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.6 to allow administrators to select multiple storage accounts and geographies so that you can always attach your MSIX App Attach packages locally to your session hosts rather than having to pull them across the internet and potentially add latency to the connection. So in order to perform this action, we need to simply select the replication locations for our MSIX App Attach packages. So you can see currently I have a RDSH pool, and if we look at the applications, we can see there's nothing currently attached. I can click Add and select Google Chrome in this instance, and the system will interrogate where the packages are located, and you can see currently I have a default location which is the primary North Central US, and my only other choice is the same location, so I have no replication at this point. To set up replication, we find the package that we're looking for and just configure its replication locations. To do this, we click on Image Versions. See, our default is 9401, and we can change the storage locations. And I'm going to add in a secondary location. It's the same geography, but the principles are there. And we'll just wait for this task to complete. Now we can see that replication is completed, and we can go back to our pool and investigate. So from our pool page, I'll click on MSIX App Attach, add, find the application in question, and we can now see that we have a secondary location, and we can choose which location we want to use for this pool. So this is beneficial in situations where you may have a host pool located in a different geography, and connectivity to your original App Attach package is not going to be optimal if it's in a distant geography and you need to copy data across the wire. So much better to have these packages in a local location so that we can attach them to our host pools. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we will see you again.